First up, we're getting you breaking news that's coming in on the Gaya cover-up. We understand that the police now is going to seek permission to conduct a narco test on the victim's father. One loophole after another has been emerging, remember, in the Gaya case, where a 16-year-old her body was found mutilated. Republic TV exposed lapses by the cops and showed how even the crime scene wasn't sealed by the authorities. The police have been claiming that they are right now probing the honor killing angle, but the family speaking out to us claims that they were tortured by the police officials, that they faced, that they were threatened and harassed by cops to issue a statement that would work in their favor. So is there an attempt to really cover up in this entire case? Even as, of course, we'll be getting Anuj joining us live from Gaya in just a bit. The latest we can tell you is that the police are seeking permission to conduct a narco test on the victim's father. The family has claimed that their daughter was raped and murdered. The cops are claiming that this could be a case of honor killing. They have already, remember, in the past detained the victim's father as well as her uncle. Now they're pushing for a narco test as well. We're also awaiting details about the post-mortem here, because sources are telling us that the police have completely ignored the post-mortem report while investigating this entire case, leading to questions about whether there is an attempt to really shield the accused in this case. Let's listen in to what some of the police officials investigating this case had to say.
इस घटना में पहली तो ये बहुत ही दुखद घटना है। एक कम उम्र की लड़की की इस परिस्थिति में मौत हुई है, लेकिन मैं ये आपको आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि इस घटना में जितने भी बिंदु हैं इस घटना के संबंध में, उन सभी बिंदुओं पर जांच होगी। अनुसंधान में सभी बिंदुओं को देखा जाएगा और वैज्ञानिक तरीके से अनुसंधान किया जाएगा। कल पटना से एफएसएल की टीम और सीआईडी की टीम भी आएगी और वो लोग भी जिला पुलिस को इस कांड के अनुसंधान में सहयोग प्रदान करेंगे।
Anuj is joining us live from Gaya with the latest updates. Good morning, Anuj. You know, you've been camping in Gaya for the last many days, getting us the latest updates on the investigation. Several questions now coming up about whether there is an attempt to cover up the real crime here, about whether there's an attempt to go slow as far as the probe itself is concerned. What is the latest you're picking up? Because we're being told now that the police is seeking that they get permission for a narco test on the victim's father.
Well, actually, the bigger question here is the same, that what police is doing at this point in time, because police has not reached to any consensus as of till now. And the latest what is coming in is that ADG yesterday made it clear that we will be doing narco test or a test of the father of the victim who is already in the judicial custody. Remember, the police earlier was very much confident in saying that this is the case of honor killing. But later, the police changed their statement and said that we are doing the investigation on the new evidences, including the CCTV footage. So at this point in time, police is not having anything in their hand, but yes, the family has given the ultimatum of 7 days, and this is the maximum 7 days which has been given by the family, where family and the other people of the community are saying that we want justice in next 7 days. Police at this point in time is like going to do the narco test, is doing the investigation. Several members, several team will be visiting the spot today, including the senior officials from the capital of Bihar, and they will be collecting more evidence to go for the certain type of test. Apart from that, let me also remind you that the incident has now taken the political overtones. Several leaders, we have been told, that will be coming to the spot today, will be meeting the family, including Tejaswi Yadav, including Pappu Yadav, and other leaders are expecting to meet the family today. On the other hand, yes, the question remains the same, that what exactly the matter behind is. If the family being pressurized and being tortured by the police, then who are the criminals that police is trying to protect? This is the bigger question at this point in time, because police as of till now is not having anything in their hand. They are saying that yes, we are doing the investigation, but let me remind you, who is behind the bar? Behind the bar is the father of the victim. where police is not having the solid evidence against him, and now they are not even confident in saying that this is a matter of honor killing. So the conditions remain the same. After 7 days also, the condition remains.
Yeah. Anuj, stay with us. I want to come back to you in just a bit, but we want to listen in first to what the family is claiming here. Very scared. They're saying that they're being targeted by the police. They're being harassed, threatened to issue a certain statement that will work in the police's favor. Let's listen into exactly what the victim's sister said when asked about what kind of treatment that they're getting from the police.
कोई घबराई की बात नहीं, सब सही बताइए। जब हम अंदर गए तो सच बतला रहे थे कि 28 तारीख को जो मेरी बहन गई, जब 6 बजे शाम में से नहीं लौटी तो विश्वास नहीं कर रहा था, कह रहा था कि 28 तारीख को गई, तो फिर 31 तारीख को आई कि नहीं, तो हम बोले नहीं, तो कहा कि तुम झूठ बोल रही हो, से तुमको सब पता है, तुम झूठ बोल रही हो। फिर बहुत टॉर्चर किया, बहुत मारा। टॉर्चर क्या किया? बहुत टॉर्चर ये किया, सब वहाँ पर जो लोग था सब और आदमी बुला कर सबसे ठकवाया, बहुत मतलब डंडा से, बहुत मोटा डंडा था, उसे डंडा से मारा, हाथ से मारा तुमको? हाँ, बहुत मारा। और फिर कहा कि अगर जो तुम सच नहीं बतलाओगी तो हम तुमको पागल कर देंगे और मम्मी पापा को लटका कर जान मार देंगे, तुमको भी जेल भेजेंगे। बहुत टॉर्चर किया, बहुत ज्यादा। और फिर हमको मजबूरन बोलना पड़ा कि 31 तारीख को आई थी, झूठ बोलना पड़ा। तो फिर पूछा कितना बजे आई थी, सब कुछ झूठ बोलना पड़ा, बहुत बोलना पड़ा ना, बहुत ज्यादा। 6 बजे आई थी, फिर कहा 31 तारीख को आई, तो फिर कौन लेकर गया? पापा लेकर गए, तो पापा का दोस्त लेकर गया कि कौन लेकर गया? हम बतला रहे थे कि एक लड़का उसी दिन लेकर गायब कर दिया था 28 तारीख को, लेकिन कोई भरोसा नहीं।
ये तो हम लोग पुलिस का काम है, ये हम लोग को क्या पता।
अभी पुलिस ने किसे डिटेन करा?
अभी वो पुलिस मनगढ़ंत डिटेन कर रहा है।
किसको उठाया हुआ? किसको हिरासत में ले रखा?
लीलाराम पटवा उसका दोस्त है, उसको उठाया हुआ है। जिसका जो 31 तारीख का वो जिक्र कर रहा है पुलिस, वो 31 तारीख को अपना 50 व्यक्तियों के साथ भीम बांध पिकनिक मनाने टूर पर गया था नए साल के उपलक्ष्य में। वो 2 तारीख की रात में आया है 50 आदमियों के साथ। हम जानना चाहते हैं कि अगर मर्डर हुआ, काटा किसने? क्या माँ बाप काटा? क्या वो दोस्त भीम बांध ले गया था? उसकी छानबीन करे।
पुलिस का अब क्या कहना है? पुलिस आप लोगों को क्या कह रही है? अभी
पुलिस अभी भी मान रही है कि ऑनर किलिंग है। हम लोग इसका एकदम बहिष्कार करते हैं। इस पर हम लोग को पूरा बुनकर समाज को आक्रोश है, जिसके चलते हम लोग कल शुक्रवार से 11 तारीख से अनिश्चितकालीन अपना उद्योग धंधा सब पूरा ठप कर दिए हैं, बंद कर दिए हैं। और ये जब तक बच्ची का न्याय नहीं मिलेगा तब तक हम लोग अपना धंधा चालू नहीं करेंगे।
So Anuj, we just played out some of the reactions coming in from the relatives. The victim's sister particularly very, very emotional there. She's breaking down and talking about how she was tortured by the police. Has there been any statement that's coming from the cops on the allegations that have been put forth by the family members here?
Well, on this particular allegation, when we spoke to the DIG, he was saying that we are doing the investigation and now we have got the new angles, we have got the new evidences and we are working on that. He was never confident in saying at that point on time that yes, this is a case of honor killing. Other than this, if we talk about the allegation that police has pressurized and tortured the family to give the false statement, on that very statement, DIG was saying that I am checking the things, I am looking into the things, we are doing the investigation, we'll be coming back to you after doing the proper investigation. So after 7 days also, the police is doing the investigation only. And who is behind the bar? Victim's father, on which police is not confident. If this is a case of honor killing, then police must have given something at least that how she was killed. What was the weapon that was used and what was the time when she was killed. But police is not having anything on that also. So at this point in time, police is continuously saying that we are on to the investigation and will be coming back to you with something. The teams has been settled, SIT has been formed, but nothing has came out as of till now. And if, the bigger question here is, and if the family has been tortured or pressurized by the police as being stated by the family themselves, then who are the criminals police trying to protect? Is there any political link? Is there any local leader involved? Is there any political party involved? Is there any Bahubali involved? So these are the larger questions in front of the police that we are asking.
Absolutely. And you know, Anuj, as you pointed out, at this point, the police seem to have focused all their resources on nailing the victim's family, despite the fact that they have no evidence to prove their honor killing angle. Political leaders now have woken up. All of them are going to be rushing to the scene there to visit the victim's family and assure their support. The likes of Tejasvi Yadav also expected to be there. But Anuj, for the moment, thanks very much for joining us. Anuj getting us all the latest updates from Ground Zero there in Gaya.